Hi, so in this video we are going to learn about MySQL. So this is a MySQL tutorial video, and if you are watching this video, don't skip the video, watch till the end, otherwise you won't be able to learn anything. And if you are new to the channel, then please consider subscribing the channel and do leave a like on this video. Your one like and your one subscription is a lifesaver for me. So the first thing that we need to do is open MySQL. So you will find it in MySQL. I'm using MySQL command line client, so I am giving my password. It's 1 2 3 4 and 5. So after giving the password, you will get this kind of a window. So the first thing that we need to do over here is create a new database. So I'm create database. Now what will be the name of the database today? I am going to name it help. Sounds interesting, right? Help. Okay, now we are going to see if help has been created or not. So for that I am going to type the command show databases, and you can see that I have a database named help. So okay, it's perfect. The database has been created. Now the next thing that we are going to do here is use help, that is the name of the database. So it says that the database has been changed. Okay, perfect. Now we have to create a table inside this particular database, that is help. So for that we need to type create table, and what will be the name of the table? That's very important. So I'm going to give the name of the table. It's quite funny. I'm going to name it more underscore help. You can use underscore. So create table more underscore help, and inside we have to give all the field names. Okay, the column names, the field names we have to give, by which we can enter data later on. And a reminder about this particular thing is that when you are giving the field name, you should always give the data type for it. Okay, so let's start giving. So I will give, let's say, name. This will be my first field, and it will be char, or let's say varchar, and the capacity will be, let's say, 20, and give a comma. And after that the second one will be, let's say, phone underscore number, and this will be integer. The data type will be integer, so it will be integer, comma, and the last one will be address. Okay, this will be varchar again, and the capacity this time will be 30. Okay, and after giving all these, you have to press enter, and you have to click on this semicolon and press enter. Now we have a syntax error over here. So syntax error was nothing, we didn't give the bracket. So create table more help. So we are going to try once again, create table more help, and after that we have to open this first bracket. Then we are giving the same thing again, name. So this will be varchar, and capacity of 20, comma, next one will be phone underscore number, and this one will be integer data type, int, comma, next line we are giving address, and this one will be again varchar, and the capacity will be 30, a bit bigger. So in the next line we have to close the bracket and press this semicolon and press enter. Now you can see the query is okay, 0 rows affected. Now I will type describe. Describe means describing the whole table. My table name is more underscore help, more help. It's the name of my table, and you can see the field name are given, types are given, null values. Now what is null? Null is nothing. Null means it is empty, but it is not zero. All right, don't confuse it. Null means empty. It doesn't mean zero. There is no primary key. I did not define any kind of primary key in this table. We are going to cover that topic in the next video, because I have a series on MySQL on my channel. You can follow that series as well. The default is null, all of them, and there are no extras. Now, according to the fields, we have to enter data inside this particular table. So how can we do that? Let's see. So for that we have to type insert into, after that the table name more underscore help, press enter, values, press enter, open a bracket. Now the first one is the name, so I'm giving the name, let's say inside single quotation, or you can use double quotation. Let's say Shikhar, single quotation close, comma. Next one is phone number, so I won't be using the single or double quotation because this is integer data type. So I'm giving let's say 235487, this kind of a number, comma. Again single or double quotation for address because this is varchar, capacity of 30. So I'm giving any address, let's say Kolkata, close, and bracket close, give a comma, enter. Now the next data, I'm going to enter only two datas for example, and let's give the name as Virat, it's the second name, comma, phone number. Wish I had the phone number of Virat Kohli, whatever. So next one will be the address, let's say Delhi, and close, semicolon, and yep, enter. So we have a error over here, that is phone number at row 2. Okay, so it's telling me that out of range value for column phone number at row 2. Okay, so for Virat I gave a big number, so I'm going to do it again. This is important because we have to use large integer because integers have a capacity. I gave a huge number over there, that's my fault. Insert into, stick around till the end of the video, don't get bored, because if you skip and watch, it's going to be useless. You're giving time for the video, you're watching this video to learn, so don't skip and watch, just watch till the end, by which you can learn anything or something rather. Okay, so I'm keeping it short, the numbers I'm keeping it short this time. Okay, check on Google what is the capacity of this integer data type, you will find it comfortably. Okay, bracket close, comma, next line, bracket open, double quotation, let's give Virat. When I was telling that wish I had the number of Virat Kohli, I got overexcited. I'm a big fan of Virat Kohli, to be honest. So yep, and I'm from India as well. I didn't mention that in the earlier videos. So yeah, so I've give all the things here, and now I will press enter, and now it says the query is okay, 2 rows affected, 0.06 seconds, records are 2, no duplicates and no more warnings. Okay, now I will see the structure of my table, that is the whole table. So for that we have to type select all. This star means all means I'm selecting all the columns, that is the field names. From name of my table is more help, so more underscore help, semicolon, enter. Now you can see that under name I have Shikhar and Virat, phone numbers are given, and Shikhar's address is Kolkata, Virat's address is Delhi. Is he from Delhi? Let me know in the comments. I think he is from Delhi. The next thing that we are going to do over here we are going to select name section, that is the name field from this particular table. So select name from more help, the name of the table. Okay, enter. Now you can see the name section has been selected. Okay, now select phone number, phone underscore number, phone number from more underscore help, that is the name of the table. Enter. So we have two phone numbers here, 23,564, 25,464. These are the two phone numbers. So greater than 20,000. So let's see if we can give greater than 23,000, what phone number comes. Okay, so select phone number from more help, where is a clause, this is called the where clause, where phone, okay, I'm giving the command wrong by mistake, so it should be select all from, excuse me for my mistake, select all from more help where phone number greater than, say, 23,000. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's see. Yeah, that is 23,000. Virat Shikhar has 23,564, and that was Shikhar, and Virat has 25,464. Okay, so what we will do is select all from, you can type in caps as well, it's not a case sensitive language. Just make sure you're giving the table name properly, because my table name is not in caps. You can give the commands in short and in caps or not caps, it's up to you, it's your choice. Select all from more help where phone, and also the field names you should give it properly. These are the things you should remember. Phone number is greater than, let's say 24,000. Yeah, 24,000. Let's see. Yes, Virat has a phone number of 25,464. Okay, so I want to see those names who are from Delhi. Okay, only from Delhi, because Virat Kohli is my favorite, that's why I'm selecting Delhi. Why not? Okay, so let's do it. Select all from more help where now let's say address equals, I think this will work, let's see, equals Delhi. If it doesn't matter, we will do it again. It worked, thank you. So the name is Virat Kohli, not Kohli, it's Virat. Phone number is 25,464, very odd phone number, and the address is Delhi. So will it work for Kolkata? Let's see. Select. If you are enjoying the content, then do like this content, at least leave a like on the video, it motivates me. From more help where address equals, now we are going to use single quotation, let's see what happens. Kolkata, enter. Yeah, perfect. Kolkata, Ishika Dhawan is from Kolkata, so it's working. Yeah, so this was the part 1 of this tutorial series. You can watch the other parts as well. I have some other videos on SQL tutorial, you certainly want to watch that if you enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also join the family of Technical Deep for more regular technology videos and computer related videos. If you are interested in computer tips, computer tricks, computer tutorials, and overall computer education, then do consider subscribing this channel. See you all again next time in another video, and we are approaching 100 subscribers. There will be a special video if I reach 100 subscribers sooner or later. Let's see what happens. Tata.